Oceans with my partner Sophia. Oceans is about what a living creature is like in the ocean. So if you could be any fun animal from the ocean, what would it be?
Oh, in a heartbeat I would be a dolphin. I love dolphins because first of all they sing, and I love to sing. And the second reason is because they're very playful and they get to jump and have fun and they cheer people up.
I'd have to be a dolphin. Well, because dolphins are the coolest. Come on, they're like little. They're mammals, so they're in the family, and I mean, they seem to be so social and just have like very carefree. So who wouldn't want to be a dolphin?
Sea lion. I mean, it's just easy. You just get to bask around and just sort of lay there. Now we're talking to Nolan. And then turn around. And then lay there some more. I mean, it's easy. And then every once in a while you gotta watch out for a shark, and then you gotta get out of the way.
Oh, well, I've always wanted to go shark diving, and that would be really cool. Check it out.
A jellyfish. I don't know why. I think it'd be cool having like the longest legs in the world. I think that would be really fun. Just like there's like they don't really get eaten, so I would just like swim around the whole entire ocean doing nothing.
Probably a dolphin because I think they're adorable and I love them so much.
I would want to be a killer whale. Those things are like the coolest things ever, and they're like giant and massive and free willy, you know, like that. So I think that would be the best one.
A starfish. Because they're like shaped like a star and they can like suck to anything and they're really cool.
Oh God, I'd want to be a shark so bad. Or a whale. Whales are big. Blue whale, green whale. I'm joking. I like the big animals, sharks and whales and huge dolphins, all that good stuff.
I'd have to be a whale just because whales are one of my favorite animals. There's nothing that really sets them apart, but they're so awesome. You know, I'd want to be some kind of mammal, like a dolphin that gets all the respect and attention.
A great white shark, because they are very intimidating, and I'm not.
Can I be a mermaid?
Actually, stingrays. They're actually awesome because no one can go near them unless they'll sting you.
Otter. Either an otter or a dolphin, actually. It's kind of tied. My favorite animal of the ocean is an otter, but I think being a dolphin would be awesome.
I know a lot of people have it too.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like the most fun life ever. Like, they're just like, they get to jump around and they're always with their buddies. Like, it's just like they're totally social creatures. I love it. But so are otters. So it's hard to say. I don't know. It's a tie.